Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library, but instead, it's a human brain capable of processing an astonishing 70,000 thoughts per day. This incredible cognitive ability has been a topic of interest for centuries, with ancient Greeks and philosophers debating the nature of human thought. Fast forward to the present day, and we have a plethora of research on the human brain's capabilities. But one question remains: how do we tap into this incredible potential? To answer this question, we need to delve into the world of neuroscience and explore the mechanisms that govern our thoughts and emotions. One of the most critical components of the brain is the neocortex, a region responsible for processing sensory information and facilitating higher-level thinking. But what's fascinating is that the neocortex is not a single entity. It's composed of multiple layers and subregions that work in harmony to enable us to perceive and understand the world around us. For instance, the primary visual cortex is responsible for processing basic visual information, while the secondary visual cortex is involved in more complex tasks such as object recognition. However, when we experience a traumatic event, the brain's processing system can become overwhelmed, leading to a phenomenon known as cognitive overload. This occurs when the brain's capacity for processing information is exceeded, resulting in feelings of anxiety, fear, and disorientation. But that's not the strangest part. Research has shown that cognitive overload can actually rewire the brain, creating new connections and pathways that can either enhance or impair cognitive function. For example, a study on London taxi drivers found that those who navigated complex routes for extended periods developed a larger hippocampus, a region critical for spatial memory and navigation.
However, when we experience chronic stress, the brain's processing system can become stuck in a state of hyperarousal, leading to a condition known as hypervigilance.
This occurs when the brain is constantly on high alert, making it difficult to relax and recover from the stresses of everyday life. But wait until you hear what comes next. Research has shown that mindfulness practices can actually reverse hypervigilance and promote a state of relaxation and calm. In fact, studies have demonstrated that regular mindfulness practice can lead to reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression, as well as improved sleep quality and cognitive function. Imagine being able to tap into the incredible potential of your brain and unlock a state of optimal cognitive function, where you're able to process information with clarity and precision. This is the promise of neuroplasticity, the brain's incredible ability to adapt and change in response to experience and learning. But what's the most effective way to harness this power? By engaging in activities that challenge the brain and promote cognitive growth. For instance, learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or even practicing meditation and mindfulness can all stimulate the brain and promote cognitive development. And then something unexpected happened. Research has shown that cognitive training programs can actually transfer to real-world cognitive tasks, improving performance and enhancing daily life. For example, a study on cognitive training found that participants who received training in tasks such as attention and memory showed significant improvements in real-world tasks such as reading comprehension and problem solving. But don't just take my word for it, the science is clear. The human brain is capable of incredible feats of cognitive function, and by harnessing the power of neuroplasticity, we can unlock our full potential.
The implications are profound. By understanding how the brain works, we can develop strategies for improving cognitive function, reducing stress and anxiety, and enhancing overall well-being.
So what does this mean for you? It means that you have the power to shape your own cognitive abilities and unlock the incredible potential of your brain. By engaging in activities that challenge the brain and promoting cognitive growth, you can improve your cognitive function, reduce stress and anxiety, and enhance your overall quality of life. The possibilities are endless, and it all starts with a willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.